science teacher, and today we will start our lesson for week 4. And the topic that we will discuss in week 4 is document views. But before moving on to the topic, first you should know that what actually the document is. A document is any form of information. This information can be in written form and this can be in electronic form as well. When we say that a document is in electronic form, it means that that document is created on computer. And when we create our documents on computer, then those documents are saved inside the computer in the form of files. Here we have few examples of documents. For example, if you write a letter to your friend, any letter you write to your friend, then that letter is also a document. And if you create a list of the students of your class, then this list would also be a document. And another example, nowadays you know that you are making your assignments. And after making your assignments, you are using the procedure that you are making them on MS Word, and then you attach your files of MS Word in your open online support program. Now those assignments that you create on MS Word, they are also examples of documents. So these are few examples of documents. Can you think of few more examples of documents? Now, as I mentioned earlier, that when you talk about electronic documents, then it means that we are creating them on computer. But how to create documents on computer? So, when we talk about creating documents on computer, then there is a program, there is an application. And that program is called Microsoft Word. And this application of Microsoft Word we use for writing our documents in computer. Now there are many other applications as well, many other programs as well that you can use for writing your documents in computer. But Microsoft Word is preferred because of few reasons. And the reasons are, it is very simple to use, and it is very user-friendly. User-friendly means that even the children of your age, they can learn it very easily without facing hurdles. Now coming towards the topic, document views in MS Word. When we say document views, then it means that the way you can view your document in MS Word. And in MS Word, there are different ways by which you can view your same document. MS Word provides with different document views, and those document views are print layout, full screen reading view, web layout, and draft. How to apply different views in Microsoft Word? If you want to apply any document view, then for that, first of all, you will click on the View tab. Step 1, as you can see in this picture, step 1 is that you will click on the View tab. Now after View tab, in step 2, you can see that there are variety of document views. All the document views that we have mentioned before are listed over here. Print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline, and draft. Now whatever document views you want to apply on your document, you will select it from here. So this would be your step 2. As soon you'll click on your desired document view, your document will appear in that view that you have selected from here. Print layout view. Print layout view is the default view for MS Word. And this view shows how the document will look on paper. Now here they have used a term default. By default, it means that every time you'll open your Microsoft Word, the view that will appear in front of you is print layout view. It is the default view. It means that it is the view that will appear automatically in front of you every time when you open up your Microsoft Word. Here you can see that how print layout view look like. Next is full screen layout. It takes the whole screen of your computer, and when you apply full screen layout on your document, then the buttons of Microsoft Word, they are hidden. Now the question that arises over here is when to use full screen view. Why do you prefer and when do you prefer to use full screen view of Microsoft Word? So you use the full screen layout view when your document is long and when you want to read it. Because when you apply the full screen layout view on your document, then the whole screen, the document appears on the whole screen of your computer, and all the buttons of Microsoft Word, they are hidden, and your document appears on the whole screen of your computer. When it appears on the whole screen of your computer, it becomes more understandable. It gets for you more easy to read your document. Here you can see the document is in full screen view. And when it is in full screen view, all the other buttons, the tabs are hidden. And it is only the document that is on the whole screen of your computer. So whenever you have to read any document, a long document in MS Word, then for that full screen view is preferred because it makes your document on the whole screen and you can read it more easily. Next is web layout view. Now sometimes you need to convert your document to web page, and for that purpose, when you apply web layout view in Microsoft Word, it shows your document in exactly the way as it will appear on the internet when you will convert your document into web page. So the web layout view, it shows your document in a way as it will look on the internet when you will convert your Word document page into web page. Next is outline view. The outline view shows your document in the form of list of items. When you apply outline view on your document, then it only shows the important parts of your document. It only shows the headings of your documents in bulleted form. The rest of the content of the document is not shown when you apply outline view. Instead, only the headings of your document are displayed in bulleted form in outline view. You can see over here that this is in outline view, and in this document only it is showing the headings of your document in the list form. The last is draft view. Draft view is basically the older version. It was the default view in older versions, okay? And when you apply the draft view, then the margins of the document are hidden in this view, okay? When you apply the draft view, the margins of the document are hidden, and this view is majorly used when your screen is so small that you can't even apply the print layout view. And to apply the draft view, you will follow the same procedure. In step 1, you will click on View tab, and in step 2, you will click on Draft.